Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Zach over at NV Woodworks. So today we're going to be turning up a pen, one of the blanks that I made on the live stream a couple weeks ago with the Divine Pigments. So let's get started. So I'm excited to turn this up. I was really happy with how those Divine Pigments worked with clear resin. It's an easy solution if you're looking for opaque colors and you're using clear resin. Everything worked out pretty good. They got, pretty vibrant colors. I only had a few of them on hand during that live stream, and I've gotten a full set since, and I'm anxious to try even more out. But I want to see how this turns out. I know a lot of people were kind of anxious to see it as well. So I saved a blank, and I wanted to turn one for myself. So what we have here is a cigar style pen. That's what I've set it up on. It's all prepped and ready to go. So all we got to do is mount it on the lathe and start making some shavings. All right, guys, it turned out pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Really happy with the Divine Pigments. They worked well for the casting portion, and this finished pen looks fabulous. Good color separation, vibrant colors, kind of everything that you'd want. So if you're looking for opaque colors and you're using clear resin, Divine Pigments are a good way to go. It makes things a lot easier compared to, you know, having to add white dye to transparent dyes. Which is how I was doing it before. Divine Pigments are already opaque out of the bottle, so good to go. Now, if you missed the live stream where I cast this, I'll have a link on the screen so you can kind of go back and watch that. It was the first time I'd ever used them. One thing to note about that video, though, I was using something that, like Chad sent me scratch indents, basically, and they were using the old jar version, but they now have bottles that make things a lot easier. And Braxton sent me a whole set. I was only using a few colors during that stream. Now I have a whole set, and they have got some really awesome colors. I mean, like, you know, lime green and like, I don't know, they're just really good color combinations without even having to mix up your own. But you can mix them together and get your own color combinations as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I turned a pen on a video, and so I hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had a blast making it. Lots of people actually said, hey, it's been a long time since you turned a pen. You should make a video. So I was happy that I had this thing ready to rock and roll. So anyway, if this is your first time on my channel, we do all kinds of resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos get posted, as well as my live streams on Friday when I go live. So make sure to do that. And if you're new to resin casting and you're not really sure where to begin, check out my ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner questions. You know, what do I need to get started? How does it all work? It kind of gives you that first, you know, broad overview of what's really going on with resin casting, so you can kind of take the next step and start experimenting and having fun with it. So it's available on my website if you're interested. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and happy casting.